Hey, Annette Reeder here, the Biblical Nutritionist from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today it's about yellow tomatoes, and I'm at Tom Leonard's, and the band is upstaging me right there behind my back, and just a great place to come and shop here at Tom Leonard's here in Richmond, Virginia. So would you buy a yellow tomato, or would you prefer a red tomato? Which is your favorite? We eat red tomatoes all the time, but did you know there's a value in the yellow tomatoes? Now they both are going to have beta carotene, which is where we get the reds and the oranges, which means we're going to have better eyesight, we're going to have better hormonal function, we're going to have beautiful skin, lots of benefits in both of them. But let me tell you today about this yellow tomato. Now you can kind of tell because of the structure of this yellow tomato that it's just going to be a really good sliced tomato, perfect for sandwiches and salads. But this yellow tomato is actually a very sweet, it's more mild than the red and less acidic. So for those of you who have issues with acid reflux or acid indigestion, then this would be a better option for you. So just realize the difference in the color. The color is actually produced from the sugar and the acid. So the color represents how sweet it is and how acidic it is. I bet you didn't know that. Comment down below if you already knew that, because, well, I do know a lot of you are much smarter than I am. And so there we go. Nutritionally, once again, we're always going to have vitamin C. All of our fruits and vegetables are going to have vitamin C, and we need vitamin C if you want to look beautiful your entire life, if you want to feel amazing, if you want to have a healthy immune system. Remember, God's foods always build up. Man's foods always destroy. Keep that in mind when you're looking to buy things. Can you imagine growing a lot of these or buying a lot of them here and then making yellow ketchup? I'm going to be on the lookout for that. If you've ever seen yellow ketchup, comment down below and let me know where you found it. Also, can you imagine making some great salsa out of these? This would be so good, especially since it has a sweeter flavor and it chops so well. It's going to hold its shape. So I'm going to take a bunch of these home and make my own salsa out of it. And can you imagine serving yellow ketchup or yellow salsa with your guests? Wouldn't they be a little bit confused? All right, one more way of how to serve this. This is perfect when it's grilled, you know, with a little bit of sprinkle of olive oil and maybe a little bit of salt on it, and you've got the perfect grilled tomato. Wow, I can't wait to take this home and get started trying it. Anyway, so yellow tomato, how many of you have had one? Comment down below and tell me that too. All right, that's it for the yellow tomato. I can't wait to read your comments. Be sure and hit the like button and the subscribe. If you're watching this on Facebook, you're getting to see it first. If you're watching it on YouTube and you want to catch it first, be sure to join us on Facebook. So it's always my joy to serve you God's recipe for excellent health. I am Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. And don't forget to go to thebiblicalnutritionist.com and grab that book, 7 Steps for Biblical Health and 3 Lies That Prevent It. Are you lying to yourself about trying to get healthy? You better check it out. It's free. It's for you. It's a gift. Thanks for watching.